Family and friends, welcome back to La Cucina di Gianni. Here today we're going to talk about spaghetti alla carbonara. Basically, spaghetti alla carbonara, it is an Italian dish, don't get me wrong, but after Second World War, they actually said that the Americans introduced spaghetti alla carbonara. The Italians have modified it through the years, through times, but honestly, I believe it is an American dish. We did not have bacon and eggs. So the Italians, what they did after Second World War, they put it all together and they made this spaghetti alla carbonara. Now, we're using here today is actually pancetta. In Italy, they use the part of the pig, which is this part here, is called guanciale. That's what they use. But the other ingredients, they're all the same. Now, let's wash our hands and then we'll start. So, here, what do we have as ingredients? We have eggs, Parmesan cheese, salt, a little bit of olive oil, and pancetta. We call it pancetta, of course. If it's 2-3 people, depends on the people you have for dinner. If there's 2 people, I usually do 2 eggs plus the third one, but I'll explain to you how I'm gonna do that. Because a lot of people complain, once they put the egg all together, it becomes like a frittata, like, you know what I mean? Like it's all rumbly and stuff like that. But I'm gonna show you today the trick of not to do that. Which we're going to turn on. And over here we have the pancetta, which I start cutting before to make it easier. We have olive oil. So what do? We put a couple of drops of olive oil just to make sure that the bacon doesn't stick to the pan. So we'll give it a couple of minutes until the oil gets nice and warm, and then we'll put the bacon inside. So I'm gonna make maybe 2 people, 2.5 people, 3 people. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the egg and we're gonna separate one. So we have 2 yolks, and then we're gonna put 1 full egg. Now, on the other hand, we have the bacon. So we have the bacon cooking over here. On this side, so let's put this on the side, we have the 2 eggs plus the full egg. Now we're adding Parmesan cheese. A little bit of salt. And what we're adding is lots of black pepper. Okay. We'll let the bacon cook nicely. Try to release all the juice from the fat. And then we'll put it on the side and we'll actually cook our pasta. And we're pretty much done. Smell it, the bacon. Now look at this. This we have the Parmesan cheese, the egg. Some people add cream or milk, but I like it more the traditional way. And the black pepper is what gives a little bit of flavor. Rest a little bit. Do a little stir. And then I will transfer this to a plate. Now, over here, I have the water. Let's add a little bit of salt. Okay, the water is boiling. Let's add our spaghettis. telling you, this is so easy. It's more the preparation of, and you see how creamy this is gonna be. It's gonna blow your mind. Pasta's ready. So we're gonna put the pasta in here for a couple of minutes. We'll let the pasta cook a little bit in that oil we had left over from the bacon, right? So we'll let the water absorb nice. We add the bacon. Don't think about it. So we have the bacon and nice in here, right? Even the spaghetti is trying to get a little bit of a color. So on the other hand, after, we have the egg. And we're going to put everything inside. Nothing goes to waste, guys, nothing. And now we're going to mix it. See, it becomes creamy. Then of course you can add all the bacon in the bottom. Presentation is always important. You always want to let your dish look nice. And then to finish it off, what we're gonna do is add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And voila! Spaghetti alla carbonara. Thank you very much, and we'll see you guys next time for another delicious dish. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.